Ever found yourself in a tight spot between paychecks? Maybe rent's due, an unexpected bill popped up, or you just need a little extra cash to treat yourself. You're not alone. Millions of people face these financial hurdles every month. But what if there was a way to access your earned income early? Enter Beforepay. Beforepay is an innovative financial technology company that's changing the way we think about paychecks. It's essentially an earned wage access (EWA) platform. In simpler terms, it allows you to get paid for the work you've already done, even before your official payday. Think of it like this: you work hard all week, and by Wednesday, you've already earned a significant portion of your paycheck. Beforepay lets you access that earned income instantly, minus a small service fee. It's like getting a small, predictable advance on your wages, giving you the flexibility and control you need to manage your finances. Financial flexibility: no more waiting until payday to cover essential expenses. Need to fix your car? Pay for groceries? Beforepay provides the funds when you need them most. Reduced stress: say goodbye to the anxiety and stress that comes with unexpected expenses or tight budgets. Beforepay helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid costly late fees. Improved cash flow: by accessing your earned income early, you can better manage your cash flow and avoid overdraft fees or relying on high-interest loans. Building credit: some EWA platforms, like Beforepay, may even help you build credit history by reporting your on-time repayments to credit bureaus. To use Beforepay, you typically need to be employed and have a direct deposit set up with your employer. Beforepay partners with reputable employers to ensure the safety and security of your transactions. They use advanced technology to verify your employment and calculate your earned wages accurately. While Beforepay offers a convenient solution for accessing your earned income, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Only withdraw what you need, and be mindful of the service fees associated with each withdrawal. It's also essential to create a budget and track your spending to avoid overspending and potential debt. Beforepay can be a valuable tool for managing your finances and gaining greater control over your income. However, it's important to understand how it works and use it wisely. By accessing your earned income early and managing your finances responsibly, you can improve your financial well-being and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.